The ingredients to video, it's all about consistency. We create different references and then we place them on the same scene. Let's say I want to create and combine a subject number 1 and a subject number 2, and I want to put them on the same scene. To do all of this, we need the references. We really could go to maybe KLING or go to MIDJOURNEY to create the subjects and then import the images right here. But on this occasion, I will keep it on the same platform. We can go to Create Image and use Nano Banana Pro, which it will work pretty good. Okay, so this is my subject.
A stylish man in his late 30s with short, neat brown hair standing confidently. He is wearing a dark suit jacket over a light blue collared shirt and dark trousers. He has a thoughtful expression. Plain green background.
Let's run the prompt and see what we get back. Okay, this is what we get back, and it's pretty good. Now, using a plain background makes it much easier to use the subject on any video. Still, as AI gets better and better at this, we won't need plain backgrounds anymore. Let's create the subject number 2, which is a woman. And I'm going to pretty much copy the same prompt, but in this occasion, it will be a woman. Let's run the prompt and see what we get back. Great, so now we have both of our subjects. And this is the whole point. We have subjects, this could be elements like a purse or maybe a hat or something like that. And we can use these ones as ingredients to create something else. I will change the mode to ingredients to video. As we do so, we can add more by clicking on the plus, but if you go to the images, you can add them to the prompt. This is my ingredient number 1, and if I go to the second one, this is my second ingredient. So we have the subject number 1 and then the subject number 2. And now we just need to prompt what we want to happen. I will go here and paste a very simple prompt. If you say a woman, it will know that we are talking about this woman. If you want to add a more descriptive type of prompt, we could a blonde woman, a blonde young woman wearing a white dress with a blue satchel is walking with a man with a suit and a satchel. If we do something like that, the model will really understand that we want to use these elements. A woman and a man happily walking on a stylish and exclusive London street. Let's run it and see what we get back.
Are we going this way?
Yes, let's go this way.
You will notice that Flow or VO 3.1 is adding some things I didn't ask for. It tends to complete the scene and it will try to guess what you want if you don't provide extra details in your prompt. And this is fine because my prompt was very short and not very detailed. If you have an idea in mind and you don't want for Flow to fill the gaps, you just need to create a much better prompt. Great, now I'm going to run the same experiment but with a very different scene. We can go to this creation and reuse the prompt by clicking reuse prompt, and we get the subjects, of course. But I want to use a different prompt. And my prompt now is very different. A woman and a man happily walking on a disgusting apocalyptic landscape. In theory, the context of the new scene should change the subject's look, the purpose, and the expression. It is an apocalyptic scene. They should be tired, hungry, and poorly dressed. So let's see how Flow responds to the elements and the new prompt. Let's take a look at the response.
Do you believe we made the right choice?
Yes, I'm sure of it.
So why didn't these subjects change? It seems pretty obvious. Well, it didn't change because that's the entire goal of the ingredients to video, which is consistency. All the AI video generation models were not very good with consistency at the beginning, but now it's just very consistent and they will continue to get better. On Flow and on this mode, I wonder what if we prompt for clothing changes and expressions. Let's give it a go. I will reuse the same prompt so we can use the same subjects, but now I will really change the prompt.
A woman and a man happily walking on a disgusting apocalyptic landscape. They wear tattered, multi-layered survival gear, patched leather, heavy canvas drapes, and rusted utility belts caked in gray dust and grime. Their faces are gaunt, showing deep sorrow and the physical strain of prolonged hunger.
So now we are providing a little bit more feedback to the real scene, right? We are just changing the clothing a little bit. We are changing the expressions as well. Still, let's put it to a test. I will run the prompt and see what we get back. Let's play the clip. Well, that was great. It's using the same subjects, but changing the clothing and, of course, the expression. Since we can provide more instructions to the AI model, like changing the dress of the woman, for example, it is always better to create a reference image with that specific clothing. Why? Well, what if you need more scenes on a different location with the same clothing? You cannot do it across multiple generations because you don't have a clear reference of the clothing. What you can do if you really like this outfit, let's say, you can take a screenshot of this and then provide it as an ingredient, asking for the prompt or for the model to change the clothing to this very specific clothing. Still, in my opinion, the way to do so is by going to Nano Banana and creating a very specific outfit and then providing the ingredient to VO. And the other advantage of this approach is that if you go to image and you create an image, it costs nothing. If you get something that you don't like, it doesn't matter. You edit or you create a new prompt. If you prompt the changes through video, you will be spending 20 credits or 100 credits every single time. And I gotta say, that's just bad business for you. That's it. If you liked all of this, please like and subscribe. This channel is supported by viewers only. If you want to support the channel or maybe just say thanks, you can buy me a coffee. You have links at the description to PayPal, YouTube Thanks, Patreon, and you have links to join one of my courses.